Welcome back to Bacis Learning Land. I'm Baci, and whoa, I was just working on my puzzle. Take a look. Oh, but all the numerals are missing. Those numbers are all over, and I know that some of my animal friends are playing with us. Would you like to play with us too? Yes! All right, so we're gonna look for those numbers, and we'll find the puzzle pieces. Are you ready? Whoa! It seems like we're somewhere cold. It's the Arctic. The first number that's missing is the number 0. And I just know some penguins have taken it. Do you see any penguins? No, because 0 means there's none right there. All right, okay. Whoa. Oh, look where we're now. It seems like there's a squeak, squeak, a little mouse. The little mouse is taking our number 1. That's right. Do you see a little mouse? Way to go. All right, reach out. Oh, wow, you found the mouse. And look, you got the pink puzzle piece. Let's put it back. All right, let's ready to count the mouse. 1. Way to go. All right, number 2, where can you be? Whoa, we are looking for little snails. They're hiding. Where could all these snails be? Remember, we're looking for 2 snails. Did you find them? Way to go. All right, I'm reaching forward. You found the number 2. Way to go. All right, and this purple number 2 is going back in its spot. Yes, let's count the snails. 1, 2, woohoo! Next up, here we come. Oh, oink, 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 oink. They're little pigs. Ooh, and it seems really muddy. Where can those 3 little pigs be? Did you find them? Lovely, I'm reaching out. Whoa, you found the blue number 3. Way to go. Let's put that back. Now let's count the little pigs. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, number 4. It seems like we're under the water. Ooh, they're jellyfish, of course. We're going to now count for 4 jellyfish. Did you find all 4? Yeah, I'm gonna reach out. Yes, you found the number 4. And it's in teal. It's a teal number 4. Let's count all 4 jellyfish. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. I wonder where we're going now. Let's look. Whoa, it looks like it's a birthday party. Oh, I think we're looking for some candles. Yes, and the next number is the number 5. Can you find 5 candles? Oh, you're good. I'm going to reach out. It's the number 5. You found 5 candles. And I'm going to put that green back, the light green number 5 back. All right, let's count the candles. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woohoo! Blow the candle out. Whoa! And look, that took us to our next animal. It's the bunnies. There's 6 little bunnies that have taken our next number. Where can they be? You found them! Lovely! I'm gonna reach out. Whoa, look at that! You found a green 6. Let's put that back. Let's count to 6. Let's count the 6 bunnies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Way to go, my friends. All right, 7. Who could it be? Quack, 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 quacks. They're ducks, of course. Where are those 7 ducks? Did you find them? Whoa. All right, here I come. Oh, here's the number 7, and it's in yellow. Let's count the 7 ducks. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, we're getting there, friends. Number 8. Ooh. Meow. Meow. What animal are we looking for? The cat. We need to look for 8 cats. Oh, where can they be? You found them. Lovely. Oh, and you found the orange number 8. Let's put that back. Let's count 8 cats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes! Oh, we're almost there, friends. Number 9, where are you? Oh, these are pink little creatures that stand on one leg. It's the number 9. Yeah, flamingos. We're looking for flamingos, and not just 2 flamingos, 9 of them. Did you find all 9? Nice! All right, it seems like we found a dark orange number 9. Now we get to count all of those flamingos. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whoa! We did it. Last but not least, number 10. Here we come. And it seems like it's all those animals put together because they're all playing together. Ooh, number 10. Did you find all 10 of them? Yes! All right. Here's the numeral number 10. I know it's a 10 because it has a 1 first followed by a 0. 10 in red. All right. Let's count all these animals together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woohoo! Way to go, friends. We did it, and we couldn't have done it without you. So thank you so much, and don't forget to like and subscribe to more adventures. And I hope to see you soon. Bye.